जय श्रीमन्नारायण। 689th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम फ्रॉम 73rd श्लोक। ओम रणप्रियाय नमः। Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattaru Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryah, Sri Rangesa Purohitah, Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Ranapriyaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who is happy in fighting with enemies for the purpose of protection of those who seek refuge in you. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Ranapriyaya Namaha. Om Ranapriyaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindha Kanda, Hanuma saying to all Vanaras like this: "Oh my dear Vanaras, I can fly in the sky and cross this ocean. While I am flying in the sky, Sagaram Soshayishyami, I can make this entire ocean dry out. O Vanaras, while I am flying in the sky, Dharayishyami Medinim, I can peel out this entire earth. Oh my dear Vanaras, while I am flying in the sky, Parvatams Chornayishyami, I can make all these mountains into powder. Oh my dear Vanaras, while I am flying in the sky, the amount of speed that I maintain, the amount of force that is coming out from my thighs, that force can take this entire ocean along with me. That much I can do. Oh my dear Vanaras, while I am flying in the sky, the amount of force that is coming out from me can unroot all these trees and make sure all these trees travels along with me. Oh my dear Vanaras, while you are all looking at me, I can fly to unlimited height in the sky and cross this and reach the south bank of this ocean. Oh my dear Vanaras, while I am flying in the sky, the size of the body that I expand into, you will feel that I am totally swallowing the entire sky. To that extent I can expand myself. And my dear Vanaras, with the amount of speed that I maintain, with the amount of zeal that I carry, all these clouds will scatter everywhere. And all these mountains will get totally shaken out. And all these oceans will get totally shaken out. That much of speed, that much of perseverance, zeal that I can carry. And also, my dear Vanaras, the amount of speed that I have, only you can see this much of speed, the velocity in Vainateya, Garutman, and my father Vayudeva. And no others can have this much of power. Vainateyasya sa shaktihi mamaya marutasya va. Only Garutman and Vayudeva has the equal amount of speed that I have. Oh my dear Vanaras, while I am traveling in the sky, while I am flying in the sky, the amount of speed that I maintain, the size of the body that I expand into, you will feel that Vishnoho Vikramamanasya Puratrin Vikramaniva. You will feel that as and how Sri Mahavishnu expanded himself as Trivikrama and spreaded all over the three worlds. That is how I will look. That is how you will feel when you look at me and when you see my expanded form. Oh my dear Vanaras, now I can feel that with all my intellect, that I can see Sitamma. I am feeling so much peace at my mind, and I am also content. That means I can definitely see Sitamma. Now you all can relax and be happy. I will see Sitamma. Like that, Hanuma disclosing all of his power, speed, velocity, zeal to all the Vanaras and helping them feel relaxed. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama 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 Dasharatha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. 73rd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Stavyaha Stavapriyaha Stotram Stutaha Stota Ranapriyaha Purnaha Purayita Punyaha Punyakirtihi Anamayaha. Stavyastava priyastotram stutastotarana priyaha purnah purayita punyaha punyakirtihi anamayaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Ranapriyaya Namaha. Om Ranapriyaya Namaha. Om Ranapriyaya Namaha.